Hey everybody, Mitch here, True Ag and Turf. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of the Fendt Lodge. This is in Jackson, Minnesota. This was originally an AGCO acquisition when they bought RoGator. This was the original AgCam factory where they made the RoGator, the Terragator. AGCO since has started making tractors here, and they've got this great Fendt Lodge, so let's go check it out. So you'll notice they start here with the big opening here. This is visible from the interstate, so I-90 is just a quarter-mile north. If you're driving by I-90 on the interstate, you'll see the Fendt Lodge right off the interstate. It's open at all times, so you can come, take a tour. If you're in the area, stop by. You can schedule a tour to go through the actual factory portion of it, or just come into the Fendt Lodge. It's open all the time where you can come in and check out the Fendt brand. So right away when you walk in the front door, you're going to notice they've got a 1958 Fendt here. They call it Franz. So this is a restored operating 1958 Fendt. So while Fendt might be new to North America, Fendt has a long established history from Europe, and here's some great proof of that. So come off to this side. We've got a great area that as we bring customers up, we can sit down here, we can have lunch or have a meal. Great little area here. We got a fireplace, a nice welcoming area that we can sit down, become friends, and converse. Up top, you'll notice that this is the original blown up drawing, enlarged drawing of the Fendt CVT transmission. So Fendt designed and developed the CVT, invented it over 30 years ago, and it's been in production for over 30 years. That's the original engineering schematics for that. So follow me along this way. Oh, you can see back in the background there is actually the manufacturing floor. So that is where all the tractors are built in North America, right here, Jackson, Minnesota, North American manufacturing built right here. And you can go on a tour, you can see that, but you do have to schedule that in advance. Follow me this way. Right off the bat, first thing you see, great merchandise shop. So we've got merchandise, we've got hats, we've got pullovers, we've got t-shirts, we've got stuff for kids, we've got stuff for ladies, we've got stuff for guys, we've got dress wear, we've got informal wear, all kinds of cool stuff. There's some toys over here, there's stuffed animals, there's water bottles, you name it, they've got it here at the Fendt Lodge, available for purchase when you're here. As we come around this way, you'll find a little AGCO knowledge here. So Jackson and beyond. So we're here in Jackson, Minnesota at the Tractor and RoGator facility where they build all that, Fendt Lodge. So you'll see that right here. But you'll also see that we have manufacturing in Beloit, Kansas. That was originally the sunflower factory. Now all of our planters are built right there in Beloit, Kansas. Heston, Kansas, where the Gleaner Combine and the Heston hay equipment is built. Then we've got parts warehouses. So Batavia, Illinois, right outside of Chicago is our main parts warehouse. Independence, Missouri, part of Kansas City. California, Woodstock, and Regina, Saskatchewan, all North American parts distribution centers. Of course, we've got all of our European ties, with Fendt being based out of Oktoberdorf, Germany, as the main plant there. They build the Fendt Ideal Combine in Italy there, and so worldwide company. You can find that all out. They've got an awesome screen over here, list everything, all the facilities that. You've got a touchscreen TV where you can learn some stuff and go to find a dealer and things of that sort. Off to the left here, we've got a sweet little display here of the history. It shows a century of innovation, right? So in 1928 was when Fendt and his son built their first self-propelled mower. And so, you know, 1928, that's almost 100 years ago that Fendt started. You can see all the different stuff across the way. 1963, AgChem was founded right here in Jackson, Minnesota. That's the facility that we're in. AgChem innovations across. AGCO starts in 1990. In 1994, AGCO purchases Massey Ferguson. Across the way then, you can see in 2001, AGCO acquired AgChem, and in 2002, they started the production here in Jackson when they bought the Challenger track tractor from Caterpillar. So across the board there, you'll continue to see stuff. In 2011, they started building the wheeled Massey, Ferguson, and Challenger brand here as well. That's changed a little bit through recent history, through COVID and some different strategic plans, but they did build those here as recently as, or announced that 12, 13 years ago. So we were just here for a Fendt marketing event. So this Fendt marketing event was set up for all the Fendt dealers across North America to come, bring their marketing teams in here, learn from each other, align with Fendt, make sure that our marketing is all aligned, and we learn from each other. So we've got the tables and stuff set up, but the showroom's pretty cool. They've got the largest Fendt logo in the world right here, or North America. It's 45 feet long. It's very earthy, you can see that. The Fendt logo has got the horizon line through that, and Fendt is designed to be where the earth meets the sky, and that's the horizon line through that. So you'll see the skylights up top where the earth meets the sky here in Jackson, Minnesota. We've got the RoGator, we got a wheeled tractor, we got a track tractor behind us, all inside here at this facility. Over here then, we'll go over to these displays. These displays are on wheels so they can move them around from time to time, create some different spaces for some different events and that type of stuff. So this first one here is the Fendt Vario Drive. This is the CVT transmission. Again, over 30 years of AGCO producing this. This CVT transmission is designed for these tractors. It's durable. It's what every other manufacturer wants to have, right? They have a version of this. Even if they call it a CVT, it's not the same as our patented CVT. The IVT is not the same as a CVT. This is a truly patented transmission. We'll have a whole nother video on that, but you can see the cutaway there of that CVT transmission. And then they've got boards across here. So they've got the RoGator here. They've got the innovation of the RoGator, the different boom systems that they have, and all the cool things like liquid logic that's set up. The 2 stages so that the sprayer actually goes up and down so you can spray different crops at safer heights with the sprayer. The Ideal Combine, we've got the rotors here, longest rotors in the industry. So with the class 8, 9, and 10, it's the dual helix rotor. You can see an example of one right there. Again, longest in the industry with the dual helix processor. Followed up by the Momentum planter. So again, innovative planter. It's designed to flex. It's designed for our Midwest terraces. It's designed to make sure that you're getting the maximum that you can get right from the beginning. If you're not starting with the planter in the right spot and getting 100% accuracy with that planter, your season is already sacrificing the potential that you can have at harvest time. Follow along a little bit further and you're going to see that we've got simulators. So these are video game like simulators. You can sit in that chair and run the Fendt RoGator. It gives you a virtual reality. The seat will shake. The video is up there. It allows an operator to see what they can and can't do with the sprayer. It's got the real seat, the real handles, steering wheel, everything right out of a RoGator, and a really cool thing. So the tractor simulator is coming soon. They've got a tractor and planter simulator. Out to this way, we can see the RoGator through the windows there. They've got a test track out there. They take every tractor off of the manufacturing line out to that test track and make sure that the tractor is ready to ship to the dealer before it ever leaves the manufacturing plant here. Of course, the RoGator, again, the all-wheel steer, pretty cool features there. And then as we come over here, there's some really cool video screens. We've got the wheel tractor, we've got the planter, we've got the RoGator, the combine, the Ideal Combine, and the track tractor. Each one of these has the big murals on the back here, but it also has video screens here. If we come around here for the Ideal Combine, Well, there's all these different features that we can learn about. We can do the overview of the combine. We can talk about the headers, the dual helix rotors, the Streamer 6.0 auger, fastest unloading time in the industry, ideal drive, joystick drive, no steering wheel in that cab, tracks, auto dock, automatically hook up to a header from the cab. Some cool features that are exclusive to Fendt. So you can click on those, shows you some different things, provides that, and then has a video for you. So really cool features. Stop by here, guys, Jackson, Minnesota. I've got all this, and now we're gonna head upstairs. So as I said, we're just wrapping up the Fendt marketing event, so we've still got a lot of stuff up here happening right now. First thing you'll see up here is the bar area, right? So this is an area that, again, we can bring you as a customer up here. You can drive your own tractor off the line, and we can bring you here. They do have taps over there. This is a great communal area with a lot of things here. Again, couches, ping pong table, foosball table, big buck hunter, a lot of things cool that you can come up here with your Ag and Turf. We'll give you a tour, show off this facility. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe below.